Hey y'all, DIY Dave here. Here's a quick and dirty video on my under seat storage box in my 2019 Tundra. They do not make an under seat box. They make plenty for your center consoles, but nothing for under the seat, what I wanted, plus what I could afford. So what I did was I went online, got the cheapest box I could find. It is the Best Top model 4264101. When I got mine, it was on sale for like 55 bucks. Now I think it's like 75 bucks on Amazon, but still 75 bucks versus a few hundred for your center console one. So after that, got that, I made a pattern. I have a piece of cardboard where the bolts go. It goes up underneath a little bit. You gotta make sure you leave room. There's little notches that guide the foot pads, so you gotta make sure this stays thin enough. I think that is like 1.25 inches. It's sloped a little bit right here, so I made it thin so I could angle my bracket. Cut it out of a piece of 18-inch by 3-inch. Mine, I just happen to have some heavy gauge angle irons, but if you use flat steel, whatever works. You'll use the pattern from the mounting bracket that comes with the box for the holes, and you'll need to make sure you do the third hole. Even though there's no screw for it there are screws on the bottom side that hold the bottom plate in, that you need to make room for, so this will fit nice and tight. Then I just slides right in, right underneath, just fine. Bolted everything back up. You will need to loosen the back bolts, by the way, make it nice and easy. But anyways, quick and dirty video, how I did it. Works great. I love it. Thanks. Subscribe.